Okay, so the question was asked how far I cut the dust cover back to stop the failure to feed issues. I can't tell you how much I cut it back, but I will do the best with this video to try and explain it. So, cut it back right here, and I contoured it the same as it was from the factory. Can't tell you how much I cut it back, but I can do this. It's the best I can do. So from there to there is, what is that? That's I don't know, a little over 3/8. That's at the bottom. And then at the top, about a little less than 1/8, maybe. I don't know. Between 1/16 and 1/8. Anyways, I can't tell you how much I cut it back, but this is the best I can do to try and get my point across as to what you need to do. And works like a champ, as shown in the other video. And this is what you see of the bolt once it's cut back to that point, and it works like a champ. All right, hope that helps.